For 3,000 years, the tiny bacterium Chlamydia trachomatis silently stole sight from millions of Egyptians from generation after generation. Described in Egyptian medical texts as far back as 1550 BCE. Finally, Egypt said enough. Using the WHO's 4-pillar SAFE strategy, Egypt eliminated trachoma forever. This is how they did it. S is for surgery. Trachoma creates trichiasis, which slowly develops into irreversible blindness. Egypt deployed trained surgeons deep into rural communities, offering trichiasis surgery to thousands. The WHO SAFE strategy's first pillar, restoring sight before it was lost forever. A is for antibiotics. Chlamydia trachomatis can be treated successfully with antibiotic therapy. Egypt launched a mass drug administration campaign, ensuring no one was left behind. When a whole community takes treatment together, the bacterium loses its reservoir and its ability to spread. F is for facial cleanliness. Trachoma spreads through contact with infected eye discharge. Egypt's health workers took the WHO's message directly into schools and villages across the nation. Wash your face every day. Use clean water. Use your own cloth. E is for environmental improvements. Trachoma thrives where poverty lives, where clean water is scarce and sanitation is poor. Egypt's Hayya Karima initiative transformed rural communities with clean water supplies and proper sanitation infrastructure. When the environment improves, disease has nowhere left to hide. Surgery, antibiotics, facial cleanliness, environmental improvements. 4 pillars, 1 mission. In November 2025, the WHO made it official. Egypt had triumphed over trachoma. 3,000 years of suffering finally over.